Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you the ways to link EA account to Twitch. If you wanna link your Electronic Arts account to your Twitch account, you need to follow these simple steps. So it's a very simple procedure. Just make sure to watch this video till the end. I'm using a web browser. You could also go ahead and do this in your mobile phone, but you need to use a web browser. Next thing you wanna do is type in e.com/Twitch linking. Once you type in that, it's going to take you to their official page or the page where you could go ahead and redirect there. So click the here button. In my case, I believe that I've already linked my account. So what next you want to do is, as you can see that my account is already linked. Now, if your account isn't linked, then you might see the page where you have to go ahead and enter your credential, that is your Twitch credential. Once you've done that, you might also sometimes ask to type in your EA account's credential. You want to do that as well. With no other unnecessary steps, you'll be able to see this sort of information indicating that your account has been linked successfully. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.